Welcome to our science lesson. Today, we are going to talk about the major organs of the body. For Quarter 2, Module 1, we are going to talk about bones and muscles, stomach and intestines, kidneys, heart, lungs, and brain. Let's discuss bones and muscles. Bones give our body a definite structure. It also protects the vital organs of our body like the brain, heart, and lungs. Ito yung nagbibigay ng tiyak na kayarian sa ating katawan. Ito rin po ang nagpoprotekta sa ating vital organs katulad ng brain, heart, and lungs. Ang human skeleton ay binubuo ng 206 na buto. Let us name some of them. Muscles. It gives shape to our body. It also protects our body's organs, and muscles enable our body to move. Ito ang nagbibigay hugis sa ating katawan, pinoprotektahan din ito ang ating mga organs. Ang muscle din ay tumutulong upang tayo ay makagalaw. Mayroong dalawang uri ang mga muscles. Voluntary muscles, ito ay mga muscles na ating nakokontrol. Involuntary muscles, ito naman ay ang mga muscles na hindi natin nakokontrol. Our body needs energy to perform our daily tasks and play. The food you eat plays a major role in providing energy to our body. How the food you eat is converted into energy is done by the process of digestion. Digestion is the process of breaking down of food into nutrients. It can be both mechanical and chemical. Mechanical digestion causes physical change by breaking food into tiny pieces. This is done by the teeth and tongue. Chemical digestion happens when the chewed food mixes with the saliva, then enzyme in it changes the starch into sugar while in the stomach. So now let's talk about the stomach and intestines. Stomach, it is a sac-like container of food made from involuntary muscle. Dito tinutunaw ng mas maliit ang lahat ng pagkaing ating kinakain. It contracts and relaxes in order to digest food, and foods are squeezed, churned, and twisted in the stomach. Ang ating stomach o tiyan ay mayroong enzymes and hydrochloric acid na tumutulong sa pagtunaw o pagdigest ng food and proteins. Intestines. These are long continuous tube running from the stomach o tiyan to the anus o sa butas ng puwet. The nutrients and water absorption mostly happen in the intestines. We have small and large intestines. Small intestine ay 2.5 wide or lapad at 7 meter long coiled tube or haba. Its function is to absorb most of the nutrients from what we eat and drink. Dito nangyayari ang pagsipsip o pagkuha ng mga nutrients mula sa ating kinakain o iniinom. Large intestine naman, dito nangyayari ang pagkuha ng waste o pagbuo ng dumi. at ang dumi ay papasok sa rectum at ilalabas sa pamamagitan ng butas ng puwet na tinatawag na anus. And now, let's discuss kidneys. Kidneys, these are bean-shaped paired organs which are about 4 to 5 inches long and 2 to 3 inches wide. The kidneys remove urea from the blood through tiny filtering units called nephrons. Ang nephrons ay ang napakahalaga na parte ng ating kidney dahil ito ang sumasala o nagpi-filter ng ating dugo. Ang nephrons ay nagme-metabolize ng nutrients at tumutulong na mailabas ang waste products mula sa nasalang dugo. Each kidney has about 1 million nephrons. Each has its own internal set of structures. The main function of kidney is to remove o matanggal ang liquid waste from the blood in the form of urine or ihi. And number 2, pinapanatili nito ang balansing dami ng salt o other substances sa ating dugo. Ang ating kidney ay nagpo-produce din ng hormone na kailangan para sa pagbuo ng body cells. Ang right kidney o kanang kidney ay mas mababa dahil sa presence ng liver o atay sa kanang bahagi ng ating katawan. And now, let's talk about heart. Heart is a hollow muscular organ located near the lungs and is protected by the rib cage. Its size is about the size of your fist. It is made up of cardiac muscles, which is an example of an involuntary muscle. The main functions of heart are, number 1, to pump blood to the different parts of the body. The pulse beat is also the beat of your heart. Ang ating dugo ay nagtataglay o nagdadala ng oxygen na kailangan ng iba't ibang bahagi ng ating katawan. And now, let's talk about lungs. Lungs is located near the heart and protected by the rib cage. Ito ay binubuo ng mga maliliit na air sacs na nagsasalin ng oxygen na pumapasok sa ating katawan upang masigurado nito na ang matatanggap ng heart ay ang malinis na oxygen. Carbon dioxide is the waste material or dumi that is removed by the body through the lungs. Breathing is the process of moving air into and out of the lungs to facilitate gas exchange with the internal environment, mostly by bringing in oxygen and flushing out carbon dioxide. And now, let's talk about brain. Brain is the command center of the human body. Why? It's because brain controls the function of involuntary muscles of our organs and send all the messages to other organs to do a specific action or function. Ang ating brain ay mayroong iba't ibang bahagi at may kanya-kanya itong gawain. And these are the function of our brain. Number 1, it controls the involuntary activities of the body like thinking, solving problems, and memorizing details and decision-making. Number 2, it controls the muscle movement of the body like walking and writing. It coordinates muscular actions. It is responsible for man's ability to learn habits and develop skills. It maintains the person's sense of balance. It connects the brain to the spinal cord. Spinal cord, it carries signals between the brain and the rest of the body. And that's all for today. Happy learning, everyone! Thanks for watching!